Okay guys, so now the turbo is free. I can finally take it out. So I'm gonna look up where are the places. Hopefully there's no more connection or stuff that hold it, so I can just bring it out. I have to check out if there's I'm probably gonna go look underneath and see if there's okay. So I guess this is the cooling line, the oil tube that's holding it from going off. So find a way to manage. Let me find a way to manage this, guys, and I'll come back to take it out. Okay. So guys, it's free now. Finally guys, I got the first turbo out. Here it is. Oh, ouch. Okay, so we got the turbo out, guys. Finally, this is the first one. So we're gonna have to attack the second one, but I'm gonna take a pause because this was hard. I let the tube in because this is a managed way. It's a hard place to. This one is pretty stuck, so I don't want to take it off and break it or whatever. So I'm gonna leave this oil tubing in here. So when I'll put it back, I'll find a way the same way I took it out, the same way I installed it. See a gasket here. You see all the protection for the heat shield. It's off, guys. Let's see the turbo. This is original from Ford SHO. Turbo is out. Double blade. You can see there's a little. Oh yeah, there's a little loose. You can see here there's a little loose. I don't think it's normal, but it's off finally. Yep. I got the other one. The turbo is off. One of two, guys. Please like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe, because you see the way I do it for you guys. I work hard, show you the procedure with short videos, so you don't have to watch like 2 hours videos. Take off. It would be greatly appreciated if you can like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe. If there's any donation, anything, contact me, ask me questions, comments, and do all of that great stuff, guys. Thank you. And I'll be doing the second one so you can see also how we do it, guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe.